Supreme Court also issued a major decision on campaign finance, striking down a Montana law that prevents corporations from spending unlimited money on state elections. In a 5-4 ruling, the High Court majority wrote, "There can be no serious doubt that the 2010 Citizens United decision applies." Democratic leader Nancy Pelosi called the ruling, quote, disappointing, and wrote, "Today, the Supreme Court kept open the floodgates to uninhibited special interest spending in our campaigns and in our politics." Heather, we have been talking a lot about the influence of money in this year's race and the fact that it is changing dramatically the lines of the race. What was your reaction when this decision was handed down?
It was really disappointing. It's disappointing actually institutionally for the Supreme Court, frankly. The majority of Americans now, according to a new poll, believe that the court is catering too much to corporate interests over the freedoms and rights of ordinary Americans, and they're right. I mean, the Chamber of Commerce is about to have a perfect season at the Supreme Court. Did it again today, where they basically were pushing for the Montana law to be summarily reversed, and it was. My organization, Demos, had an amicus brief where we argued that, in fact, it is really important for the court to look at the facts again. And in Montana, this was the important thing. Montana said, you know what? The Supreme Court said that the law says that maybe corporate expenditures wouldn't be corrupting, but we've got evidence that in Montana, they are. So let us go ahead and rule on the facts. Supreme Court today said, you know what? The facts don't matter. Their ideology does. And it's terrible.